Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can screen record calls on iPhone. So this is a feature that Apple has released. And if you're doing the screen record feature, if you want to record a call, it's worth mentioning that you and the recipient of the call would know, which basically means that you will receive a notification that the call is being recorded, and the other person who's at the other end of the call will also receive the recording notification. So for this, what you have to do is if your iPhone is eligible, you'll see a screen record icon right here. If you don't see a screen record icon right here in the top left corner, that means your iPhone isn't eligible and you won't be able to screen record your call. Now we will be pressing the screen record icon right here. Now after we press this, you will see this prompt right here. This call will be recorded. Audio prompt will play in 3, 2, 1. It will take 3 seconds. If you want to cancel it, of course, you can press on the cross. And after that, when this has passed, you will see this. You will see this screen, and this means that your call has started to record. Now, if you want to stop the recording, you will press on this button, which is basically the stop button. This can stop the recording, and if you hang up the call, that would stop the recording as well. Now, if you want to view your recording, you can view it from your iPhone Notes app. So you'll basically just simply open your Notes app and you'll see a folder of recordings, and from there you can view your recording, download it, share it, and do what you want with it. But this is the simple process of recording calls through iPhone. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.